Deep in the Horn of Africa, nestled within the Afar Triangle, lies a land like no other. This region, known for its stark beauty and harsh conditions, is a place where the Earth's raw power is on full display. This is the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest, driest and lowest places on Earth. It is a land of extremes where temperatures soar and the landscape is shaped by both fire and salt. Scorched by the sun, baked by volcanic heat, and steeped in ancient salt deposits, it is a place of extremes. The ground beneath your feet is a mosaic of volcanic rocks and salt crystals, each telling a story of the Earth's violent past. The Danakil Depression challenges our understanding of where life can exist. Despite the harsh conditions, life has found a way to thrive here, adapting to the extreme heat and aridity in ways that continue to astonish scientists.
It is a testament to the enduring power of nature. The forces at work here are a reminder of the Earth's dynamic and ever-changing nature, where life and geology are in a constant dance. The Danakil Depression is a geological marvel. Its landscape is a living laboratory offering insights into the processes that shape our planet. From the formation of new crust to the deposition of minerals, every feature here has a story to tell. It sits at the junction of three tectonic plates, slowly pulling apart from each other. This tectonic activity is responsible for the region's unique geological features, including its numerous volcanoes and rift valleys. This ongoing tectonic activity has created a landscape of dramatic contrasts. Here, you can find towering volcanoes alongside vast salt flats and bubbling hot springs next to arid desert expanses. Volcanoes rise from the desert floor, their slopes painted with vibrant mineral deposits. These minerals, brought to the surface by volcanic activity, create a stunning palette of colors that contrast sharply with the barren surroundings.
Salt flats stretch as far as the eye can see, shimmering under the relentless sun. These vast expanses of salt are the remnants of ancient lakes that have long since evaporated, leaving behind a stark and beautiful landscape. And bubbling hot springs spew forth scalding water, rich in minerals and strange life forms. These hot springs are a window into the Earth's interior, offering a glimpse of the processes that drive our planet's geology. The Danakil Depression is a place of superlatives. It is a land of extremes, where the environment pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. It is one of the hottest places on Earth, with temperatures regularly exceeding 50 degrees Celsius, or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat here is relentless, making it one of the most inhospitable places on the planet. It is also one of the driest, receiving less than 200 millimeters or 8 inches of rain per year. The lack of rainfall adds to the harshness of the environment, creating a landscape that is both beautiful and forbidding.
And at over 100 meters, or 330 feet below sea level, it is one of the lowest places on the planet. This low elevation contributes to the extreme conditions, as the air pressure and temperature are both higher than at sea level. These extreme conditions make the Danakil Depression a challenging place to live. But life, as we shall see, finds a way. From microscopic organisms to hardy plants, the life forms here have adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Scientists have discovered extremophiles, microorganisms that thrive in the hot springs and salt flats. These tiny life forms have evolved unique mechanisms to cope with the high temperatures and salinity, offering clues about the potential for life on other planets. The local Afar people have also adapted to this harsh environment. Their traditional lifestyle, which includes salt mining and pastoralism, is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Salt mining has been a way of life here for centuries. The Afar people extract salt from the vast flats using traditional methods, a practice that has remained largely unchanged for generations. Pastoralism is another key aspect of life in the Danakil Depression. The Afar people herd camels, goats, and sheep, moving with the seasons to find grazing land in this arid environment.
As the sun sets over the Danakil Depression, the landscape takes on a serene beauty. The harshness of the day gives way to a quiet stillness, a reminder of the delicate balance between life and the environment in this extraordinary place.
The Danakil Depression is a land shaped by fire. Volcanoes, both active and dormant, dot the landscape, evidence of the immense geological forces at work.
These volcanoes are not the towering, cone-shaped mountains we often picture. Instead, they are broad shield volcanoes, formed by the slow accumulation of lava flows over millions of years. One of the most impressive volcanic features of the Danakil Depression is Erta Ale. Erta Ale, meaning smoking mountain in the Afar language, is one of the few volcanoes on Earth with a persistent lava lake. This lake of molten rock, constantly churning and bubbling, is a mesmerizing and awe-inspiring sight.
The volcanic activity in the Danakil Depression is not just a spectacle. It plays a crucial role in shaping the landscape and influencing the lives of the people who call this place home. The geothermal activity provides a source of heat and energy, while the volcanic soils, rich in minerals, support a surprising diversity of plant and animal life.
In this unforgiving environment where temperatures soar and the earth itself seems to breathe fire, live the Afar people. The landscape is harsh and unyielding, with temperatures often reaching over 50 degrees Celsius. The ground is cracked and dry, and the air is thick with heat. Yet amidst this seemingly inhospitable terrain, the Afar people have found a way to not just survive, but to thrive. For centuries, the Afar have called the Danakil Depression home, adapting to its harsh conditions and carving out a life in this unforgiving landscape. The Danakil Depression, one of the hottest and lowest places on Earth, is a place where few would dare to venture, let alone live. But the Afar have developed unique ways to cope with the extreme heat and lack of water, using their deep knowledge of the land to find sustenance and shelter. Their resilience and their deep connection to the land are a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and thrive. The Afar people have a strong sense of community, working together to overcome the challenges posed by their environment. They share resources, knowledge and support, ensuring that everyone in the community can endure the harsh conditions.
The Afar are pastoralists, their lives centered around their herds of camels, goats and sheep. These animals are not just a source of food and income, but also a vital part of their culture and identity. The Afar have a deep respect for their animals, understanding that their survival is intertwined with the well-being of their herds. They are constantly on the move, following the rains and seeking out scarce grazing lands for their animals. This nomadic lifestyle requires a profound understanding of the environment, as they must anticipate changes in weather and vegetation to ensure their animals have enough to eat. The Afar's ability to navigate this challenging landscape is a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. Their knowledge of the land, passed down through generations, is essential to their survival. Elders play a crucial role in educating the younger generation, sharing wisdom about the best grazing routes, water sources, and survival techniques. This intergenerational transfer of knowledge ensures that the Afar people can continue to live in harmony with their environment. Life in the Danakil Depression is not easy, even for the Afar. The extreme conditions test their endurance and resilience daily. Despite the challenges, the Afar people have developed a deep sense of pride and identity, rooted in their ability to withstand and flourish in such a harsh environment. The extreme heat, the scarcity of water, and the constant threat of volcanic activity make it a daily struggle for survival. The Afar have learned to read the signs of the land, understanding the rhythms of the earth and the sky to predict and prepare for natural events. Their ability to adapt to these conditions is a remarkable example of human ingenuity and perseverance. Yet the Afar have not only survived, they have thrived, their culture and traditions intricately interwoven with the challenging environment they call home. Their festivals, music and dances reflect their deep connection to the land and their resilience in the face of adversity. The Afar people are a living testament to the strength and adaptability of the human spirit, thriving in one of the most challenging environments on Earth.
Section 4. Thriving in Extremes, the Science of Survival. The Danakil Depression, for all its harshness, is teeming with life, but this is not life as we know it. The extreme conditions of the Danakil Depression have given rise to extremophiles, organisms that thrive in environments that would be deadly to most life forms. These extremophiles, mostly microorganisms like bacteria and archaea, have adapted to survive in the hot, acidic and salty waters of the Danakil Depression.
They have evolved unique biochemical mechanisms that allow them to function in these extreme environments. Scientists are fascinated by extremophiles. These organisms provide a glimpse into the limits of life on Earth and offer clues about the potential for life on other planets. Studying extremophiles could lead to breakthroughs in biotechnology, medicine, and our understanding of the origins of life itself.
Section 5. A surreal palette colors of the Danakil. The Danakil Depression is a feast for the eyes, a place where the Earth's raw beauty is on full display. The landscape is a surreal palette of colors, a result of the interaction between the region's unique geology, extreme climate, and the vibrant life that thrives here. The minerals, salts, and volcanic activity combine to create a scene that looks almost otherworldly. The salt flats, stretching as far as the eye can see, shimmer white under the scorching sun. These vast expanses of salt are a testament to the harsh conditions of the region, where temperatures can soar to extreme levels. The volcanic hot springs, rich in minerals, create a kaleidoscope of colors from vibrant yellows and oranges to deep reds and greens. These springs are not just beautiful, they are also a window into the geothermal activity that lies beneath the surface. The Dalal hydrothermal field is a prime example of this otherworldly beauty. Here, the Earth's crust is thin, allowing the geothermal forces to shape the landscape in dramatic ways. Here, hot springs bubble up from the Earth, depositing minerals that form intricate patterns and vibrant hues. The colors and formations are constantly changing, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. The air is thick with the smell of sulfur, a reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath the surface. This sulfuric scent is a signature of the volcanic activity that has shaped the region. The colors of the Danakil Depression are not just visually stunning, they are a testament to the resilience of life in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Despite the extreme conditions, a variety of microorganisms thrive here, adding to the vibrant palette. They tell a story of the geological processes that have shaped this land over millions of years. Each layer of mineral deposits, each color, is a chapter in the history of the Earth's formation.
They are a reminder of the power of nature to create beauty in the most unexpected places. The Danakil Depression, with its vibrant colors and dramatic landscapes, is a living testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet.